Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this session today we are going to learn how we can create a stepped drill down report using the report wizard in SSRS. So let's get started. Click right click on the report. Okay, click on add new report. As we are going to create a report using the wizard, click on next. Okay, here we need to provide our data source to which we are going to connect with. So go to the connect here, go to the design and pick the server name. Cancel this dialog box, go over here and you need to click on added and you need to provide the server name which you have copied in SQL Server Management Studio. Connect to the database. As I have a table in the sample DB database, test connection and click on OK. Click on next. Okay, so this way connection string will be set up. Now it is asking the query string. So this is the table, okay, sales table that we are going to display in our report. So what this table is displaying is the sales number, sales person name, product name that they have sold, item number of items sold, unit price, country in which country and region the product will be sold. Okay, so this is the table. Copy this query, paste it over here, click on next. Okay, now it is asking what kind of the report you wanted to generate. So we will keep it a simple and make it as a tabular report as of now. Click on next. Now it is asking which the design of the table. Okay, whether you wanted to page level detail or the stack report. So I wanted the stacked report. So on the basis of, so let me group this report on the basis of reason, and all other things will be in details section. So that means what it is, it means that all the details will be grouped by reason. Okay, now click on next. Now it is saying the table layout. What kind of the table layout you wanted? You wanted the stepped or blocked. So these are the two table layout if you group your records in the on the basis of particular column. So in this scenario we are going to group our sales data on the basis of reason column. Okay, here you have a two table layout, whether you wanted to step or block. In this session we will cover the step. Okay, so we have clicked on step, and if you see when we click on step, so this is the layout that we are going to have, okay, in that we are going to have in our report. And these are the two checkbox here. Okay, if you see here, include subtotal and include and enable drill down. So if you wanted to drill down, if you wanted to have the your reasons to be in drill down format, then you can check this. Okay, if you click on block, then this option will not be there. So click on step, click on drill down. Okay, I don't want to don't want to have a subtotal here, so will not select this. So we'll keep this enable drill down and click on next and give this name as a stepped drill down sales report. Okay, so you can give the name whatever you want. So this is, and this is the checkbox. If you wanted to preview the report, you can check this box and click on finish. So this way the report has been created. And if you see here, these reasons, okay, all these reasons will be just collapse here. When you click on this plus icon, then it will be expand. So this is nothing but a drill down functionality. So we are drill downing this area reason and this Asia region, and to see the sales data which has been done in the Asia region. So this is the step. And why it is called the step? Because everything is in one page. Okay, so so that is why it is stabbed, and all it is in everything in step format. Okay, and because we have used enable the drill down, that is why we are having this plus sign. Okay, which enables us to expand the data on the basis of reason. So this way we can create the step drill down report. And if you want, go to the design, and as I said earlier, you can design it. Okay, make it format, make it bold, and you can change it like if you want, you can change it the colors. And this way, this is entirely dependent on you, what design you want, right? Okay, and here this also you can make it some other like this way, and go select on OK, go to preview, So see, this way you can style your report as per your choice. Okay, so this way you can create the stepped drill down report in SSRS. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.